Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing very well. So, in today's video, we are going to learn about pricing, item master pricing features. So, in our last video, we have seen like kit package items, how to create a kit package items, how to use, and what is the use of kit package item. So, in today's video, we are going to learn about item master pricing. So first we'll see confirm feature, enable feature. Then we'll go for create a price level pricing. Yeah, item master pricing. First introduction. In NetSuite, as a master serves as a centralized repository for all information related to a specific product type. It includes details such as supplies, materials, use unit inventory, and profit margin. This comprehensive data is essential for effective inventory management and information decision making. So, when we are talking about the pricing, so what is the you what in the sense of pricing in that sense? Pricing in that sense allows that a business to set up various price level for item catering to different customer segment or sales channel. This flexibility enables companies to implement a diverse pricing strategies such as offering discount to wholesale customer or setting a standard price for a retail client. Confirm features before setting up. Ensure that all the features and accounting preferences are enabled. So first we need to do some setups. Basic before starting the price level, navigate to setup company features and inventory tab. We need to check multi-pricing enabled feature, and then the accounting features. We need to set up like let's have a look. Let's log in the NetSuite. Password training. So first we need to check the enable feature. Let's set up company enable feature. First we need to check multi-pricing features. We need to enable under the inventory subtype multi-pricing and the enterprise inventory lots like yeah. So under the transaction subtype, let's go to sales. Here we can see the features under sales subtract sales subtype, multiple prices, quantity pricing, Just select those checkbox and save it. Just save it. Now let's go the accounting features. So all the features are relevant enabled, and let's review that accounting features on the transaction item transaction. So these are the account we have set up, and maximum number of quantity based price level. So they see that quantity based price level in the sense like how many price level we can create based on quantity. For example, how many column we can add. So here we can adjust the column on the price level. So if we are selecting five, then five column we will get an access. So we can schedule set up a price level based on five. That is like quantity based pricing for that. So now first step will be the how to create a price level. Let's go to setup, accounting list. For the filter drop down, we just select that price level. Here we can select. So here we can create a price level. So we have created this price level, NS price level, and discount we have given 5%. That will be a default discount for each item. It will be applicable when we are selecting this price level, and NetSuite will automatically calculate that price based on discount. So we just give the name and give the percentage and select this checkbox. So update the existing price. So it will update all by default to all the price existing price. So this is the way or how to create a price level. Now what is next? So this is the multiple pricing. We have created this price level. So key aspect of the price level in NetSuite, like in the sense multiple pricing feature NetSuite suppose the certain creation of up to 1,000 distinct price levels. So in the NetSuite, in the sense we can create or manage up to 1,000 price level, and providing by flexibility to manage diverse pricing strategy across various customer segments. So now we have seen to create a price level. Now what they use like price level, price base price and adjustment. Each item has a base price and additional price level can be defined strategy and percentage related to this base price, and simplifying management complexity. Price customer specific pricing price level can be assigned directly to customer record. Yeah, ensuring that appropriate pricing is automatically applied during transaction, thereby reducing manual data entry and minimizing errors. Price group beyond the individual price level, NetSuite offer pricing group that allows the for the assignment of a specific price level to group of item. This is particularly useful for managing price across product category or regions. What is the benefit of that price level using price level? When we are talking about the price level, what is the benefits? Benefit in the sense enhance flexibility. Business can implement varied pricing strategy to cater to different customer segments, promotional campaign or regional markets. Streamlined operation, automated application of price level during transaction, reduce manual effort and potential for pricing errors. Improved customer relationships, offering tailored pricing and strengths of customer loyalty and satisfaction by meeting a specific client need. So this is the way how we can create a price level. Yeah, I think we have covered this price level in this video. So For today, that's it. Just we learn the price level. Now in the next video, we'll see the price group. So I hope this video was helpful for learning. Thank you for the watching my YouTube video. Please subscribe and add your comment and hit the bell icon button to receive the latest NetSuite info. And thank you. Bye bye. Care everyone. See you in the next video. In the next video, we'll see like how to create a price group.